soft girl aesthetic redefined. My room is filled with fairy lights and candles burning every night. The Pinterest board come to life. The soft girl aesthetic, no more strife. I'm reading books with tea in hand. No pressure to make grand plans, just exist.